Assalamu alaikum guys, you're watching Study News, and today I'm gonna give you some concepts about the latest technology, the nanotechnology, from where I'm going to choose a very important lecture or assignment or presentation about the nanogenerators. So, the contents which we will follow in this presentation are introduction to the nanotechnology and the nanogenerators, types of nanogenerators, working principle, applications of the nanogenerator, advantages, disadvantages, future scopes, and conclusion. So let's start the introduction of the nanogenerators. A nanogenerator is a type of nanotechnology that converts mechanical energy, thermal energy, as produced by small scale physical change into electricity. And next, before going to have a deep knowledge about the nanogenerators, I would like to show you the developers of the nanogenerators. The developers of the nanogenerators are basically, this credit is goes to Dr. Zhong Ling Wang and his colleagues at Georgia Institute of Technology. So, before going to know about the nanogenerators, we should have to understand that what kind of energy sources which we are going to use in nanogenerators. So the small scale energy sources are being used here. This is, I'm going to show you the diagrams of the nanowires, and the nanowires having thickness about length about 1 micrometer, and this is a small scale energy, the body movement. Whenever we are walking, we are working, or we are working out, all the time when we are moving, our body is moving, then it is a small scale of energy source that we will use to produce the electricity with the help of nanogenerators. And the second one, heart beating. Heart beating is a continuous process of a human being as well as he or she is alive. Heart is always beating, and this energy can be converted into electrical energy with the help of nanogenerators. And the blood flow is also a continuous process of providing a continuous energy to produce the electricity with the help of nanogenerators. When we talk about the large scale of the energy sources, though, so that is the wind. Wind is a large scale of energy sources, and the second one is water waves. Water waves are also having a very large amount of energy which can be converted into electrical energy, and it is converting nowadays into the electrical energy. So here I'm going to show you a components which are we will use in nanogenerators. So nanoscale components. So the nanotechnology, when we reach at nanotechnology meets with the harvesting kinetic or thermal energies, and as a result both of these two things when combined with each other, they will make nanogenerators, and nanogenerators who generate electricity. So what are the types of the nanogenerators? Nanogenerators are basically of three types. So nanogenerators are typically of three types. So the first one is piezoelectric nanogenerators, which is mechanically working principle, and triboelectric nanogenerators also have a mechanical working principle, and the pyroelectric and thermal nanogenerators. So the types of the nanogenerator, first one is piezoelectric nanogenerators. The piezoelectric nanogenerator first introduced by the Zhong Ling Wang in 2006, and piezoelectric materials can generate an electric current just by being bent or stressed. Just by being bent or stressed. It is the most important that they don't need to a physical movement as our generators and motors are moving. That nanogenerators doesn't have any kind of moving part inside it. They work only just by bend or stress. So piezoelectric nanogenerators use mechanical energy. Piezoelectric nanogenerators use mechanical energy, and piezoelectric generators electrical energy based on energy conversion by nanostructure piezoelectric materials. So here is the diagram figure which is showing that we can just produce the electricity of in the nanogenerators just by being compressing, applying a stress, or bending this nano generator. Electricity will be produced because it is a very sensitive, having nano wires inside it. So the second one type of the nano generator is the pyroelectric nano generator. So pyroelectric nano generator is an energy harvesting which utilizes a temperature difference between two ends of the devices for deriving the diffusion of charge carriers. Here is a diagram where we can see that the cosmic rays are mm, making something compressed on the surfaces of this nano generator, and these are the nanowires are made of zinc oxide, and when we apply a force on the surfaces, then these nanowires are bent or compressed, and as a result, due to the temperature difference, the electricity produces in this. So the third one, triboelectric nanogenerator. So the triboelectric nanogenerator is an energy harvesting device that converts the external mechanical energy into electrical by conjunction of triboelectric effect and electrostatic induction. Here is the diagram. We can see that the zinc oxide, these nanowires are made of zinc oxide, and there are any other things which are being used in this. So a nanogenerator scale, a nanoscale piezoelectric nanogenerator. In between of these three types of nanogenerators, I'm just going to explain only the piezoelectric nanogenerator. Harnesses the body's energy, as I shown you in the beginning of this video, that we are going to harness the body movements, blood vessels, blood movement, and heart beating. This harnesses the body movement made of zinc oxide nanowires. Wires called nanowires produces 45 millivolts whenever the zinc wire is pulled back and forth. When with simultaneous output from many nanowires, we can generate high power. The wires have a diameter of 100 to 300 nanometers and length of about 10 to 100 microns, and 1 micron is equal to that value. And here is a figure that a scientist, Zhongling Wang, showing something to us about the nanogenerators. So how nanogenerators work? The nanogenerators work with the principle of nanogenerators, where an individual nanowire is subjected to the force exerted perpendicular to the growing direction of the nanowires. Here we can see from this figure the growing direction of the nanowire is being compressed from both of the sides, so the force exerted on nanowires in the perpendicular to the growing direction of the nanowires, and they works on the basis of piezoelectric effect, where mechanical stress is converted into electrical current. So the piezoelectric effect, I think you have clear now, where the mechanical stress is converted into electrical current. So what are the applications of the nanogenerators? Applications of the nanogenerators are very harvesting energy from human body motion, and since there are many mechanical energies produced by the human body in everyday life, we can make use of piezoelectric nanogenerator to convert this amount of mechanical energy into electricity for charging portable electronics and biomedical applications. This will help to greatly improve the convenience of people's life and expand the applications of personal electronics. Here I'm gonna show you a figure in which the nano generator is transported on the heart of a human, that this nano generator will produce the electricity as the heart is beating. So it's a very latest technology. As we know, the nano generator is a very latest technology. So from this figure is the scheme of self-charging power textile. So in it integrates the supercapacitors AC here into energy storing fabrics. It is a supercapacitor which are energy storing in yarns as energy storing fabrics. The triboelectric nanogenerators here, the triboelectric TENG, the triboelectric nanogenerators is using as energy harvesting fabrics, clothes as energy harvesting fabrics, and wearable electronics, for example button and sensors. The buttons and sensors are using as a wearable electronics. So the power shoes, which can also be used to generate the electricity, here we place some kind of nano generators inside the shoes, and whenever we walk while wearing these shoes, the electricity will produce in these shoes, and that can be used out in the different for the different purposes. And the smart wearable system, a power shirt, the power shirt which is being used nowadays, we have seen these power shirts in some movies, and the most important, some dancers to they use to illuminate their shirts while they are dancing, and they can use these power shirts to recharge their shirts just by their body movements, and when they are dancing, then definitely the shirts will be charged automatically with the help of nano generators. What are the advantages of nano generators? Piezoelectric and triboelectric nanogenerators have enough output suitable for self-powered system. The output of the triboelectric nanogenerator is too good and don't need pooling. Both organic and inorganic materials can be used based on triboelectric behavior. The piezoelectric nanogenerator could convert mechanical movement, blood pressure, vibration, energy, and so on into the electrical energy for self-powering nano devices. Nano generators can harvest waste vast energy from environment, and thus being a sustainable energy sources. So whenever we talk about the disadvantages of nano generators, it is a universal truth. If something is going you a lot of advantages, then definitely that thing will have some disadvantages. And here nanotechnology is going to change our life, but it has also some disadvantages. The amount of power generated by the nano generator is comparatively very small, and shelf life means how long these materials are. In other words, organic materials decay very quickly. And the third one point which we will discuss about the disadvantages of the nano generator is the nano generators are limited to small duty cycle. They can't produce numerous voltages or current. So the need to be protected from the effect of water, This is a basic drawback of that. And now we will talk about the future researches of the nanogenerators. Integration of nano devices into a nano system with capability of sensing, controlling, communicating and responding. Hybridization nanogenerators are being developed to harvest both solar and mechanical energy. In near future, this mode of electricity production will prove to be highly promising. And what is the conclusion? The miniaturization is the beauty of nanogenerator. It's the really beauty of the nanogenerators. So generation of power need to be updated with inventions. Further researches in this field can save non-renewable sources of energy. That's very important. The invention of the nanogenerator may prove to be the start of a new era in the history of the mankind. And one day, by replacing these into people's shoes, we can generate electricity when walking. This could enable electric car that can run for hundreds or thousands of millions without a recharge. And the most important wording which I found about, which is written by someone, the day when we can charge our cell phones or iPod just by going for a stroll around the block, and could be a step closer by using nano generators. Definitely. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you like it, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.